Hi student, today we'll solve numericals on high pass filter. Before this, we'll revise high pass filter. This is the simple circuit diagram of first order high pass filter. First order means this is a pair of R and C, that's why the first order. If we compare high pass filter and low pass filter, we'll observe the difference between the location of that filtering element, that is R and C, get interchanged. Rest of things that remain same. This is the frequency response of high pass filter. As name indicates, high pass. So the frequency 0 to FL. FL is the cutoff frequency, lower cutoff frequency. While in low pass filter, the cutoff frequency denoted by the FH. 0 to FL, the frequency signal get attenuated. And when the frequency equals to, that is F equals to FL and onwards, that signal, that filters allow that signals for the filtering. Here the Xc equals to, that is the reactance 1 upon 2 pi Fc. This F is the frequency of input signal, this is inversely. So for lower frequency, the Xc is very high. So that's why here the signals get blocked here. Then the expressions of FL, that is the cutoff frequency, lower cutoff frequency, equals to 1 upon 2 pi RC. R and C, these are the filtering elements. We are using this high pass filter in non-inverting configuration, input signal to non-inverting terminal. So the passband gain AF equals to 1 plus RF upon R1. And the ratio of, that is V0 upon V in, that is the voltage gain magnitude, that equals to passband gain AF upon under root of 1 plus FL, this is the lower cutoff frequency, upon frequency of input signal, bracket square. Then next circuit is second order high pass filter. Second order means pair of this. 2 capacitor, 2 resistor. So that's why the second order. You can increase the order of the filters by cascading this two. Means for example, third order high pass filters cascade second order filters and first order filter. So this is the third order filter. This is the frequency response of second order filters. Difference between this frequency response of first order filter and second order filter is, in first order filter, this is a plus 20 dB per decade, roll off rate plus 20 dB per decade, while in second order here this is 40 dB per decade. So as we increase the order of the filters, the roll off rate increases here. Then for second order filter, the FL, that is the lower cutoff frequency, equals to 1 upon 2 pi under root of R2, R3, C2, C3. R2, this is R3, this is C2, this is C3, this is, means here this is the filtering elements. Then this ratio, that is V0 upon V in, voltage gain magnitude ratio for second order filter, equals to AF upon under root of 1 plus FL upon F bracket raised to 4. This is second order, so this. Okay, today we'll stop here.